Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to take a quick look at Nvidia. This company is down about 2.17%, and there are reports and confirmation from Nvidia that this company has been a victim of cyber attack. So we're going to take a closer look at what's happening in today's episode and my overall thoughts. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Check out the pinned comment for free Discord, free newsletter, and a lot of great investing links. So right off the bat, if we take a top level view, we look at Nvidia's stock price down 2%, the same day that they mentioned a little bit more about this cyber attack. One would believe that, hey, maybe they kind of correspond. Maybe investors are a bit worried. I personally believe that's not the case, especially if we take a look at overall QQQs, right? This is down about 0.43%. And we can also take a quick look at SMH, which is a semiconductor ETF, down about 1.28%. I do believe it's more of an overall market thing with what's happening right now globally and all these tensions. So right now, I think we're just seeing volatility in the market. I don't believe it has to do with the cyber attack, and if it does, it's very minimal to the stock price. So let's take a quick look at a few recent updates for Nvidia before we take a quick look at the cyber attack. First, if you are an investor, on Monday, March 7th, so about a week from now, Nvidia will be presenting at Morgan Stanley's Technology, Media, and Telecom Conference. So if you want to just learn a little bit more, maybe have something on the background, make sure to check that out. The one I'm very excited about is Tuesday, March 22nd at 8 a.m. Pacific time. There will be a live stream of the CEO of Nvidia. He will be doing a keynote for their GTC conference. During this keynote, they usually present a lot of new products, a lot of new applications for their technology. And as an investor, I would highly recommend any investor or just anybody who's really enjoying tech to take a quick look at this conference. Maybe not the whole conference, but at least the keynote. Let's take a listen to today's sponsor. I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You guys know I love finding new investing tools and resources to help me scout out new growth stocks. And right now I have a discount for one of my favorite services the Fool offers. Through the Motley Fool Stock Advisor services, you get access to a ton of expert stock picks. Every month you'll get 2 new picks that are aimed at growing your wealth and to help you realize your financial goals. Stock Advisor's average stock picks have done amazing returns. If growing your money is something you'd like to do more of this year, you can visit fool.com/Jose Najarro or click on the link below for access to my special offer and decide if the stock advisor is right for you. Thanks again to the Motley Fool, and now onto today's video. All right, so next let's take a quick look at this cyber attack. On February 25th, there were numerous reports online that Nvidia got hacked and was a victim of cyber attacks. The company later on February 25th did confirm to numerous media outlets that they are investigating the incident, but they still haven't. They're still working to evaluate the nature of the scope and what's really happening, so they didn't share much information. So on March 1st, we did get an update. Reuters seems to have spoken with the spokesperson, and this is the information that we know. Nvidia is aware that the threat actor took employee credential information. They also have some Nvidia proprietary information from system and has begun leaking it online. So first, obviously, the employee credentials is very important. I'm pretty sure what Nvidia is doing right now is forcing every employee to change their kind of credentials, because the worst thing is someone kind of logging in with those credentials in the future and taking more information. The second thing that they mentioned is that there's some Nvidia proprietary information from systems that have also been leaked online. Right now, it's too early to tell how much information has been taken and if any of this information is important, right? Proprietary information means anything. It could just be like a few emails. It could be a few kind of future customer notes, a few contracts. It doesn't necessarily mean that it has to do with the overall coding and the overall technology of Nvidia. So at the moment, right now, it's still too early to tell. I do want to say, I want to kind of give a benefit of the doubt that Nvidia is prepared, and they have, for their super highly sensitive information, they have a lot more security than stuff like this. The team is mentioned that they are working to analyze information still, and they do not anticipate disruption to business ability to serve customers as a result of the incidents. So right now, Nvidia is kind of on top of it, it seems, but something investors should kind of keep in note of. Again, for me, this is one of my top holdings. So if I felt worried, if I felt worried, I think I would feel it now. But in all honesty, the way the technology market works, I don't think it's a big deal at the moment. Obviously that can change, there's still so many uncertainties, but at the moment I wouldn't personally go out and sell shares of Nvidia because of this cyber attack. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Take care, have a good day, and see you next time.